Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Degree Abroad. In today's video, I am going to guide about the complete application process of University of Palermo. University of Palermo is one of the best university in Italy and it offers best scholarship out there. I will guide you the step-by-step application process, so stay tuned till the end. First of all, let's talk about its programs. I will share the link in the description so you will come directly to this page. This university offers two types of programs, bachelor's programs and master's programs. And there are the number of programs in bachelor's and master's degree, so you can apply in your desired program. But before applying in any program, must check the program's requirements because each program has different requirements. So must check its requirements and then apply. Now let's talk about its language requirements. Click on language requirements and check English language requirements and Italian language requirements for Italian dot programs. So check English language requirements for English dot programs. So applicants are required to demonstrate an adequate level of English language proficiency in order to successfully attend courses and participate in academic activities. The University of Palermo accepts the following internationally recognized certifications. It includes IELTS, TOEFL, Pearson Test of English, Trinity IASE British Institute certification, and Cambridge English qualification. For IELTS, minimum score is 5.5 and for TOEFL, minimum score is 72. So meet these requirements and then apply. Now let's talk about the scholarships offered by University of Palermo. So University of Palermo offers these scholarships, ERSU, and the most famous scholarship is their Mikey scholarship. So they offer scholarship for the Palestinian students as well. All these scholarships are fully funded. So apply in these scholarships. There are other scholarships as well. Now let's talk about its application process. Click on International Students Enrollment. Click Enrollment Procedure for Extra EU Foreign Students. Scroll down and here is the procedure of bachelor's degree and master's degree. You can check its timeline by clicking on timeline. So this is the second call. The time started for bachelor's degree is from 15 April 2026 to 20 July 2026. So the deadline for the bachelor program is 20 July 2026. Then you can check the requirements for the bachelor's program from here. You need a valid passport, ID photo, copy of your high school degree. If you applied for bachelor's degree program taught in English, then you need an official English language certification. Visit language requirements page for this information. Scroll down and there is bachelor enrollment documents, your original high school diploma, one of the following documents, a declaration of value and statement of comparability. Now scroll down and check the master's degree timeline. So the timeline for master's degree started from 15 January 2026 to March 2026. It is the first call. The second call is 15 April 2026 to 20 July 2026. The deadline is same for bachelor's and master's degree. So apply before this deadline. Now check its requirements. So for master's program, you need a valid passport, a passport size photo, a copy of your bachelor's degree, a copy of transcript of record, and an English language certification. Scroll down. You need your CV as well. Now if you want to apply in master's degree, then click on master's degree step-by-step procedure. Click here. First of all, click on the registration portal to register yourself. After registration, you have to set your password. Then you can log in yourself by entering username and password. After logging in, a page like this opens. Scroll down and here is the option of how to enroll. click on How to Enroll button. After clicking How to Enroll, scroll down and click on Fill out the enrollment application. Click here. A page like this opens. Scroll down and click on After You button. Now scroll down, keep it same and then click on Forward button. Here you have to choose your degree course. Scroll down and choose your course type. If you are applying for master's degree, then choose 2-year master's degree, and if you are applying for bachelor's degree, then click on bachelor's degree. So I am applying for master's degree, so choose master's degree and then select button. Now choose your degree course. Click here and choose your desired degree program. So for example, I choose Bioscience and Global Change. Click here and then click on Select. Now scroll down and here is the verification of curricular requirements. I am a graduate student or I am a graduate student. Then I come from University of Palermo or I come from a foreign university. So click here. Then enter your degree mark and with honors. Then date of achievement. After filling these fields, click on Verify. In this step, you have to enter your personal image, upload your personal picture and then click on Create Practice. Next, here is the attachment, for example, your study plan. So attach the file and then scroll down and upload your personal image and then click on After You button. Next step is attach documentation. Briefly describe your request and then attach document type, valid passport, passport photo, transcript of records, bachelor's degree, curriculum vitae, your CV, then language certification, and then additional degree or certification. This is optional. You can skip this. Then click on choose file and attach. Click here. After your attachment is done, click on He confirms. As I did not uploaded all the documents, that's why I cannot move to the next page. So you have to attach all the documents. First, click on attachment type, choose your document and choose file, then attach that document. So upload one by one all the documents. And in this portion, it could be your small motivation letter that you have to write in 2 to 3 lines. After completing this, click on the confirm button and you will see the option for evaluation and your application will be submitted, and then wait for the call for interview. And if you get the response from the university, then you will do your pre-enrollment. So in this way, your application will be completed. So this was the complete application process of University of Palermo. Hope this video will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website Dream Degree Abroad to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.